So, nasasaktan tayo. So, we're blaming ourselves, we're blaming yung mga bagay na didesisyonan natin, where in fact, hindi naman ikaw na may kasalanan. That's beyond your control. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Disunga from Mike and Change Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Disunga. Alright, so bago tayo magsimula, happy birthday muna sa aking one of my best 5 friends. 5 lang talaga sila, no? Ma'am Glenda Deldoc Abad, yan, so, from BPSU. Hi, Ma'am Glenn, happy birthday, Bok. I really wanted to see you today. Pero alam mo naman mga pagkakataon. Pero mamaya, after this vlog, baka mamaya nandyan ako sa inyo. Happy birthday! God bless you. Maraming salamat for the gift of friendship na pinagsamahan natin when we were still in college hanggang sa nagturo, hanggang sa nagkaiwalay na tayo. Anyway, happy birthday! Alright, so, ang topic natin ngayon medyo kakaiba siya. So, if you are in pain right now, right? So, if you're hurting right now, so, ito yung dalawa kong paalala sa inyo. So, sa lahat ng mga tao na you are experiencing pain right now, madami yan. At present, siguro thousands or millions of people are crying right now. Right now, habang pinapanood mo to, if you are in pain, kasabay mo yung millions of people. Thousands of people who are crying right now. Alright? We have more than 7 billion people around the planet. More than 100 million Filipinos, okay, are roaming around the planet. And certain percentage of these are hurting. They are also crying, okay? So if you are hurting right now, I don't know what's the reason. Probably it's personal, it's a relational issue, or work sa yung work-related, or something like frustration, or depression, or anything that caused you to get hurt, okay? So these are my 2 reminders to you, alright? So, first, it's normal to be in pain, okay? It's normal to get hurt. Diba? Yes. So, kaya wag natin sasabihin na, why God has forsaken me? Iniwan na ba ako ng Diyos? Hindi niya ba ako nakikita? O hindi niya ba ako naririnig? Diba? Or something like, nagre-rebelde tayo and we are doing worse things. Worse than what had happened before. Then, sinasabayan natin siya o pinapalitan natin siya ng worse things. Alright? And that's wrong. Because yung pain na nararamdaman mo ngayon, yung kung ano man nararamdaman mo ngayon, it's a normal feeling. Okay? Normal feeling. Because we can't control the circumstances outside your life. Yung mga actions mo lang, yung mga thoughts mo, ayan lang kaya mo kontrolin. So yung mga actions outside you, within your environment, you can control. Pag nagdesisyon ng tao sa labas mo, ang boss mo, na tanggalin ka sa work, and that hurts you, wala kang makontrol kasi decision niya yun eh. Diba? Pag nagdesisyon mga kaibigan mo na iwanan ka na, diba? Sa mga estudyante natin, na iwanan ka na, and dito na sila sasama sa pagkabilang grupo, wala kang magagawa doon. It's out of your control because that's their decision. Pag binray ka naman ng jowa mo, kung ikaw estudyante, okay? It's out of your control. Ito kasi ginawa ko naman lahat eh. I give my best, di ba? I give my best. Gano'n, di ba? But I guess my best wasn't good enough. Di ba? Tingin mo that's your best. Tingin niya hindi siya best. Di ba? So, nagdi-decide siya. And he or she is leaving you. Alright? And that's normal. Di ba? So, ano pa? Yung wife mo, yung husband mo, merong ginawang iba. Di ba? Well, of course, that hurts. That hurts. Iba yung pain nun. Kasi, mag-asawa kayo eh. Iba yung pain. Kaya lang nga, yung sinasabi ko po, circumstances outside us, eh hindi natin siya nakokontrol. Diba? Kaya tayo nasasaktan. Kaya tayo minsan iniiwan. Hindi naman, it's not all about you naman eh. Diba? Masyado ko mo kasi iniisip na siguro sama-sama ako. Diba sabi nga ni Bea, si Bea ba yun? O, hindi ko alam kung saan yung movie yun. Pangit ba ako? Diba?
Liza Soberano.
Si Liza, pangit ba ako? Hindi ba ako worth? Parang gano'n, di ba? We're asking ourselves, pangit ba ako? Hindi ba ako worth? Wala ba akong kwenta?
Kapalit-palit ba ako?
Kapalit-palit ba ako? Di ba? So, nasasaktan tayo. So, we're blaming ourselves, we're blaming yung mga bagay na didesisyonan natin, where in fact, hindi naman ikaw na may kasalanan. That's beyond your control, di ba? So, another cause of pain, siguro baka nawala yung loved ones natin, di ba? Namatay, di ba? And it's normal to die. Sabi nga nung isang kasama ko, parang si Doc Cristobal, ay Doc, Sir Deo, sabi niya, namatayan ka, normal lang yun. Ganun ka-practical sila, hi Doc, I miss you. So, something like that. So, pag may nawala sa buhay natin, normal lang. Imagine kung walang namamatay, ilang bilyon na tayo. Di ba? Kung nawawala, hindi na tayo kaya ng mundo. What is the carrying capacity of the earth? What is the, yung kaya lang i-sustain ng resources natin? May carrying capacity lang tayo. According to my professor sa Miriam College. Hi, hello sir, nasa ka na ba ngayon? So, sabi niya, ang earth, meron lang yung carrying capacity. So, kailangan merong mamatay, di ba? So, nagkataong turn niya ngayon, di ba? Like kagabi, when I was in emergency, I drove myself there, papunta emergency kasi parang medyo napagod tayo. So, dinrive ko na ni sarili ko isang kamay papunta sa emergency. Salamat sa aking assistant sa mga kapatid ko na nagpunta doon. So, merong kasalukuyan akong chinecheck, biglang may dumating na yun, inatake, so nawala, namatay, di ba? So, kanya-kanya lang paraan, okay? So, balik tayo. What I'm trying to say is, when you get hurt, okay, so it's beyond our control. So, it's a normal situation. Dok, ilang linggo na akong umiyak ilang buwan na akong umiyak. It's okay. It's okay to cry, di ba? Si Lord nga, di ba, ilang beses, and Jesus wept, di ba? Alam niyo yung tawag sa Panginoon, one of the names na tinatawag sa kanya, man of sorrow. Yung pain na experience mo ngayon, it was once experienced by God. Diba? Kaya sabi niya nga, diba, if any man will come after me, let him deny himself, take up his cross, and follow me. Pag sinabing follow me, sinusundan natin siya. Na-experience niya na lahat ng pain. Pain ng iniwan ka ng family mo, pain ng being rejected, being denied. He was denied by Peter, di ba? Yung tinatanggi ka, sabi ng asawa mo, hindi ko po asawa yan. So, hindi ko po kilala yan, di ba? Denied by your best friend, ay, hindi kita naging kaibigan kahit kailan. Ouch, di ba? It hurts. Ay, hindi ka ang best friend ko, di ba? Ay, Mama Ricky. so, something like that, okay? So, it's normal to get hurt, alright? So, that's one. If you are in pain right now, sabi mo, you pray, sabi mo, Lord, this is my situation, tulungan mo ako, I'm accepting it, and help me na ma-survive ko to. Alright?
Amen.
And huwag ka nang gumawa ng worst things. Huwag ka nang mag-sick. And that you just, double the pain. Huwag ka na rin magiganti. Di ba? Di ba sabi nga ni Bishop T.D. Jakes, if people can walk away from you, let them walk. Di ba? Paano mo sasabihin sa sarili mo na hindi mo kaya mabuhay? Isang tao lang nawala sa'yo. There are 101 million Pilipino, 7 billion people, ang daming nakakala sa mundo, yung say nawala, hindi mo kaya mabuhay. Nabuhay ka nga ng ilang years na wala yan, di ba? Yung mga 1 week pa lang kayo, diwa mo 1 week pa lang, Dok, di ko kaya. Ba, gano'n ba kayo katagal? 3 days po. 3 days, di mo kaya. Nabuhay ka ng 20 years nang wala siya. Itong 3 days, di mo kaya. Di ba? Okay, so that's first, alright? Second, if you are in pain right now, this is my second reminder, don't let that pain or that hurts hinder your success, okay? Ituloy mo lang your plans. Meron kang plano mag-abroad, you go abroad. Meron kang plano mag-start ng iyong negosyo, start your own business. Meron kang plano na mag-start ng iyong investment, go for it. Meron kang plan na mag-travel, you travel. Meron kang plan na magpa-promote or to start your own career, di ba? You go for it. Because your situation right now is just temporary. Temporary, pagpapalit mo yung future mo. Di ba? Yan na nga yung visa mo, di mag-abroad ka na. Yan na nga yung promotion, di be promoted. Yan na nga yung opportunity pa, negosyo, yan ang business partner mo, yan ang opportunity, nandyan na, you go for it. Alright? So, hindi ka pwedeng hadlangan yan. Kasi pag gising mo sa isang umaga, wala na yung pain mo, di ba? Kasi it will not last forever. Walang forever, kapatid. Kahit pain, happiness, and everything, walang forever. Alright? So, pag nag-last na yung pain mo, biglang marirealize mo, ay, sayang, na-miss ko na yung opportunity. Baka hindi na bumalik yon, di ba? Ay, sayang, yung pa sana, maka-attend ako ng seminar ni ng ganitong magaling na speaker. So, pinalampas mo because you're in pain, di ba? Ipopromote ka na sana, hindi mo tinanggap kasi nga you're in pain. Alright? So, kung meron kang pain right now, alright? Kung meron kang nasasaktan ka ngayon, you just cry. It's normal to cry. Kaya nga meron tayong lacrimal gland, di ba? Tama ba ako? Lacrimal gland. Kasi para malinis eh. Para saan ang gland na yan kung di ka iyak? Di ba? Di magiging parang vestigial part lang din siya. Yung wala siyang, biology! So, parang lang siyang vestigial part, yung walang function. Lahat ng yan, lahat ng parts ng katawan natin, miraculously created by God with a purpose. Ang lacrimal gland, kinreate ni Lord para may daanan ng luha mo. O di ba pag di ka lumuha, para saan yan, di ba? Saan naman pagkaka-create niyang glands na yan, alright? So tama ako sana, lacrimal gland.
Yes.
Gland. Okay, alright, so if you are, ulitin natin, if you are in pain right now, huwag kang magpa, okay? Don't let that pain stop you, no, Nay? Sa pagiging successful mo. Okay, don't let that pain stop you from reaching your goal, alright? So, Universe, ulitin natin, are you in pain right now? It's normal, okay? Go, still, and reach for your goal. Alright, so, if you want my help, okay, so gusto mong matulungan kita, though I'm a wealth coach, pero I think I can help you there. So, because I've been through a lot of pain. I'm 45 years old. Lahat na ng pain siguro, medyo dinaras na natin, part niyan. Lahat ng mga pain na nandiyan sa, nagkalat sa buong mundo. Okay? Alright, so, tawagan mo ako, 0939-525-4311. And if you want to advertise your business sa aking YouTube channel, message mo lang ako sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And sa aking FB account, Gigi Sunga. Alright, so thank you very much, Genevers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan! Let's go!